What appears to be new justice is the National Task Force on the West Philippine Sea, appearing to be more aggressive, faster in correcting the misinformation, recognizing, issuing press statements that this is such a big concern. Justice, do you think it's worsening in terms of public perspective because they've called out Filipinos who've peddled
Well,
this misinformation?
yeah, they have to resort to that because we are in a battle with China for the hearts and minds of the people of the world. Not only our people, but the people of the world. No, so we have to be on our toes. We have to do our own research and rebut them. That's the only way. We have to present the facts and the law. That's where we are strong. And we just keep on harping. They keep on saying that they own it since the last 2,000 years. We just keep repeating that that's been debunked already by the tribunal. And that started only in 1947. The records show that it started only in 1947.
Based on your engagements in various provinces around the Philippines, Justice, what's your impression from the public? Are they so vulnerable to disinformation?
Well, let's base it on facts. No, the actual survey of SWS for the last 10 years that has been consistent. The people don't believe in the Chinese claim. It's over 80% to 90%. No, so that's almost unanimous. If you hit 85%. So all we have to do is to keep on harping on the facts and the law.
And do
And
you
of course, patagalan dito, you have to sustain it. China will just keep on repeating their position. We keep on repeating our position.
Yes, Justice. Do you feel, Justice, that these Filipinos who peddle misinformation and disinformation online are minority and they're not getting any traction?
They are definitely a small group, small but vocal group, because if you look at the surveys, we have the 90% of the people are on our side. They are definitely a small, but they are very vocal also.
And what's the danger to this, Justice, if the fact checking is not sustained?
Well, they might sway some people. No, so we have to stay. So stay. It's our duty to continually object and present the real facts and present the law, because we don't want our people to be misled. No,
Yes.
that's part of the competition for ideas in the marketplace.